once we've pulled this off, the little bung off the end, empty the remaining water out of it. There it goes. It's jammed in it. Okay, time to get water on the floor. Get ready for the water. Lovely. That does its job, doesn't it? That really does its job. Anyway, there's the filter. Not too bad actually, although there's a fair bit of crap on it. Time to rinse this off. Alright, now it's clean. Stick it back in the washer. Actually, that does look like it's got a lot of crap still in it. I don't think I'll bother doing that though. Right, back in. Stick the end back on, stop the water coming out, and that'll finish that off. There's the recirculation pump working like it should, if you can see, but it's quite awkward with the glass shine. That yellow thing, when it starts again in a minute, there it goes. You should just be able to see the water spraying down on the clothes. That's being pumped round from the bottom by the recirculation pump. And on these, they do get noisy when that yellow thing gets blocked. But all you've got to do is stick a cocktail stick or a small screwdriver in the end and unblock them. And as you can see, the noise stops and it's working like it should again. Can you see the water? And it's just under there, the main pump, as you can probably hear. We'll go inside in a minute when it stops, and I'll show you the two holes. One of them's for steam on the left, I think, and the right one's just for the normal water that gets pumped round, as this is a steam machine. What is the model? Ah, there it is. So if your washer starts getting noisy and it's got one of these recirculation pump things on it, I'd check the top of that yellow thing, especially if it's an LG, because they get blocked up and that causes the pump to get noisy. Simple fix, don't even have to take anything to bits, just prod it with a cocktail stick or a small screwdriver and get the gunk out of it, and it'll be back running fine. There it is, with the light off. Right, let's see if we can get in it. I don't know whether it's going to let me in at the minute. Oh, it has. Right, I'm going to put the camera just underneath and see if you can pick it up. The holes are somewhere on the back. I can't actually see it. I'll try it with the light on. Right, let's try again. You should be able to see the holes where it comes out of. Anyway, that's the bit you need to clean. Stick something in them holes and it'll stop your noisy recirculation pump. Okay, let's see if we can get this working again, because I want my jeans dry and washed. There goes the lot. Come on. Are we steaming? Yep. And there you can see the water, probably. Or probably not.